After we receive the device, we unpack it and let it sit for a while. Take out the light guide arm for installation. This is the main body and the primary operating head. This one is the honeycomb head. Now, remove all the dust covers. This piece is the dust sleeve. When the device is not in use, you can place the connector back. Now let's look at the installation process. After removing all covers, lift the light guide arm. Do not lift it with one hand. This creates stress on the joint, which may affect precise light output. The correct way is to lift one rod first, then support it with the other hand. Lift carefully in this manner. Now, remove the dust cover from the main unit. Insert the light guide arm vertically. Keep it straight. Do not tilt it. Once in place, tighten the rotary screw at the bottom. After tightening, hold the arm with one hand and further secure the screw with the other hand. Tighten until secure. Now, connect the data signal cable. Start from the top side. Then the host unit. There is a connector on the host. Align the protrusions and notches. Then gently press and rotate to lock it in place. Attach the air tube as well. Now take the main operating head, or the honeycomb head, and screw it on securely. If you need the honeycomb head, install it now. If you need the main head, install it instead. Tighten gently with 2 fingers. Do not over-tighten. Then connect the signal cable and air tube to the handle. Next, take the dust sleeve. Here is a screw and an Allen wrench. Turn the arm until the screw port is visible. Make sure the port is facing upwards. Once tightened, it will not loosen. Finally, insert the main operating head. Installation is now complete.